Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 5th January. Let's start. In the year of 1592, on this day, the Mughal Emperor Sahabuddin Muhammad Shah Jahan was born in Lahore. He is also known as Khurram. In the year of 1659, on this day, Shah Shuja was defeated by Aurangzeb in the Battle of Khasba. In the year of 1890, on this day, Advocate Gyanendra Mohan Tagore passed away. He was the first Asian barrister. In the year of 1905, on this day, Charles D. Perrine announced the discovery of Jupiter's seventh satellite, Elara. In the year of 1912, on this day, Vladimir Lenin and the Bolshevik Party split from the Russian Social Democratic Labour Party at a convention of Prague. In the year of 1914, on this day, the American company Ford presented the example of minimum wage to the world for the first time by setting a limit of $5 a day's allowance for employees. In the year of 1932, on this day, Kalyan Singh, former governor of Rajasthan and former chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, was born. He was the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh during the demolition of Babri Masjid in December 1992. He had served as the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh twice. In the year of 1935, on this day, the animated short film The Tortoise and the Hare was inaugurated by Walt Disney. In the year of 1955, on this day, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was born in Calcutta. In the year of 1957, on this day, the Central Sales Tax Act came into effect. In the year of 1981, on this day, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the first TV adaptation of the book by Douglas Adams, debuted on BBC Two. In the year of 1981, on this day, Indian rower boat driver Bajrang Lal Thakkar was born. In November 2010, he won the first individual rowing gold medal for India at the 2000 Asian Games held in Guangzhou. In the year of 2014, on this day, Indian communication satellite GSAT-14 was successfully placed in orbit. Cryogenic engine manufactured by India was used in GSAT-14. In the year of 2016, on this day, 15-year-old Mumbai schoolboy Pranav Dhanavade remained unbeaten on 1009. He became the first batsman in the history of cricket to score 1000 runs in an innings. In the year of 2020, on this day, Chinese professor Zhang Yongzhen first published the SARS-CoV-2 genome map online, helping health professionals worldwide identify COVID-19. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Climate Research and Services of the Indian Meteorological Department made a statement during 2020 that 2020 was the eighth warmest year on record in India since 1901. In the year of 2021, on this day, the tableau of Uttarakhand representing Kedarkhand was selected by the central government for the Republic Day Parade 2021. In the year of 2021, Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Union Minister WCD and Textiles Srimati Smriti Jubin Irani jointly launched Toycathon 2021 and Toycathon Portal. Toycathon Portal was organized to develop India as a global toy manufacturing hub. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Madhya Pradesh government has launched Launchpad scheme for boys and girls coming out of child care institutions and who have completed 18 years of age for higher employment. An amount of rupees 6 lakh will be provided by the Department of Women and Child Development for setting up each launchpad. In the year of 2021, on this day, the World Bank signed a $105 million project with the Government of India and the Government of West Bengal to improve inland water transport infrastructure in Calcutta, West Bengal. In the year of 2021, on this day, Tata Power, India's largest integrated power company, announced its partnership with SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, to offer an easy and affordable financing scheme to MSME customers in the rooftop solar segment. In the year of 2021, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 450-kilometer long Kochi-Mangaluru natural gas pipeline, built at a cost of rupees 3,000 crore via video conferencing. This event is an important milestone towards the creation of one nation, one gas grid. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.